Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make kale chutney. So this is a kale guys. So this is kale. Kale chutney for idli, dosa, rice, for chapati at your home. So for this recipe, what you need some fresh kale, and this kale I harvested from my garden, and I clean the kale. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut into very small pieces. So here I chopped the kale, and let's start the recipe. Take a kadai, add some oil. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. So in this oil I'm going to add the kale. So we have to fry this kale for 2 to 3 minutes. So can you see, it started to become reducing. So that means we have to switch off the flame. So I removed the kale and I put it in the plate. So the second step, what I'm going to do, I'm using the same kadai. So take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. In this, I'm going to add some urud dal. So I'm using my hand. So it contains 2 to 3 tablespoons of urud dal. 3 red chilies according to your spice, how much spice you want in your chutney. Some fresh curry leaves, and I added a little bit of tamarind. It gives a tangy taste in the chutney. So usually I add the tamarind in all the chutneys. And this is very different chutney guys. Usually the kids, they don't like the kale, but if you make this chutney, they will eat. So we have to fry until the urud dal it becomes light brown in color. And here I am adding some ginger. If you want to add coconut, you can add coconut. Today I am going to add the desiccated coconut. It's not the fresh one. So it started becoming light brown in color. It's time to switch off the flame. And when it becomes cool down, we have to grind all these things together. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this kale into this. And I'm going to fry. And in this, I'm going to add this desiccated coconut, the dry coconut. You can use the fresh also. So I grind it in the blender by adding a little bit of water. I added salt while grinding. So we have to grind this chutney as a very smooth paste, and very nice chutney guys. Just now it tasted a lot of flavor, curry leaves flavor, ginger, everything. So yeah. So for this chutney, no the tempering is not required. If you want to do tempering, you can. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make kale chutney for idli, dosa, rice, chapati, even for bread. You can spread this chutney in the bread and you can eat at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.